Passion is the fire that twins dreams into action and ordinary moments into meaning.
Experience, skills, new friends, and much love.
Gratitude. Thank you.
The magic of meeting someone for the first time and feeling like you have always been friends.
And I want to send you a smile.
Happy.
All you've done for us is amazing. We love you. Grateful.
Opportunity that change your life come to you to go to do wild animals photography. You need to be quiet, patient, and be willing to not to do always what you want whenever you want. But at some point, something beautiful will just come up and you need to be ready to take the picture. Otherwise, it will just be you in the wild, alone. Do it.
Hello, my little one. You are so small, pequeño. You have such a hard shell around you. Mi pequeño, pero cuando yo te toco with love and care, dentro de ti, colors meet and dance. Thank you for all this.
I'm happy we met and shared this experience together. You are loved.
This week was all about living flowing between letters, sounds, color, people and sensation, learning and appreciation.
The power of music and the deep connection it allows to create were truly powerful. It reminds me the importance of mutual respect and active listening.
I will give them new ways of taking and friends with jokes and games.
Thanks to this project, now I have new people that I know and better knowledge in English.
It was such a positive and inspiring experience of growth and intercultural interchange. Also beautiful to explore our own narrative with creativity, to construct collective narrative from our different experience and visions of the world.
If I had to say something, it would be the joy and the beautiful energy that it comes from all of you. Your support means a lot to me. It is just like sunlight that warms a seed, with your kindness, trust and space to breathe. I liked that this place was our private bubble of creation. Your beautiful was touched me a lot.
The thing is, when you meet new people, you should know how to talk to each of them because everyone is different. And I think that besides formal learning, the most important part of this kind of projects is networking and keeping contacts. In the end, we are humans and we live by memories. Barcelona gave me so much of them, and you guys also did. I will always feel emotional and nostalgic about this project because it's part of creating my personality.
Realization, overcome, learning, countries, it opening our minds, journalism, communications, sharing, knowledge, privilege, Italy, Morocco, Albania, Colombia, Mexico, Spain, USA, and Hungary.
It is good to be in a place where no one judges. I hope that there will be no other like this, but I really hope European Union will do and will make real what we said during the projects. No need of visa, no borders, no tortures of migrants, no differences between migrants and expats.
The gift of love and creativity. How wonderful it is to explore something new and fall in love with it, being able to create, being able to make visions and dreams a reality. I wish this gift of exploration and adventure for everyone. Stay curious, my dears.